Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add custom hatch patterns in AutoCAD step by step. First, download the hatch pattern file from a trusted website such as CAD Hatch. Make sure the file is safe and compatible with your version of AutoCAD. After the download is complete, locate the file on your computer. It is usually in a compressed format, so right-click on it and extract it into a folder. Choose a folder that is easy to remember because you will need this location later. Now open the AutoCAD application. Once AutoCAD is open, load the drawing where you want to add the hatch pattern. Before adding a hatch, make sure you have a closed boundary. For example, you can draw a rectangle. Next, type options on the command line and press Enter. The options window will open. Go to the Files tab. Expand the Support File Search Path section. Click on Add, then click Browse. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the hatch file. Select that folder and confirm. Then click OK to close the options window. Now type H or hatch in the command line and press Enter. The hatch creation panel will appear. Change the hatch type to Custom. Click on the three dots next to the pattern name. From the list, select the hatch pattern you downloaded. Click on Pick Points, then click inside the closed boundary in your drawing. After that, click OK or press Enter to confirm. The custom hatch pattern will now appear inside your selected area. This is how you add custom hatch patterns in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching.